Welcome to Makeshift Shows with Just Randy. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. If you're returning, thanks for the support. And as always, if you want me to make a video of your system, let me know about it in the comment section. In tonight's video, I'm going to be demonstrating something a little different. I get numerous emails and comments on how to create my own strategy upbet. I could make it easy and give you a list of pricey programs, but I'm not. Before the internet, I had to figure it out with pen and paper, and tonight I'm showing you how, so you don't have to spend a dime. I'm not using any animation to show how easy it is. Let's demonstrate. Alright, so let's take something simple like the dozens. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to figure up your own upbet system for the dozens. Okay, so the dozens is 2 to 1, so that means if you bet $1, you're going to win 3. Okay, so 3 is our magic number here. All right, so what we want to do is we want to write 3 columns. Okay, say 3 is our magic number. So we're going to write what we bet, what we lose, and how much we won. Okay, three columns is all as it takes. So we bet $1. So how much did we lose? We lost $1. If we lost, if we won, we would have won 3. So the whole object of the game is to make sure that the 1 column number stays ahead of the lost number. Okay, so next we're going to go to 2. And you just do this for every number all the way down. So 2 plus 1 would be, if we lost 2 in a row, we would have lost 3 units. But if we had won, so we're going to see 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 is higher than 3. So our next up bet 2 will work and we will make money. All right. See how that works? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to 3. All right. So 3 plus 3 is 6. If we had lost 3 in a row, we'd have lost 6 units. Now we times that times 3 if we win, and we have a 9. So 9 is greater than 6. So now we go to 4. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, so that's 10 units. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 is still better than 10. See how that works? Okay, so now let's go to 5. So 5 plus 10 is 15. All right. Then 5 times 3 is also 15. All right, so that we break it even. All right, so we don't want that. So, I mean, you could go to that, but we're playing this game to win money. So we go to 6. 6 and 10, okay, is 16. 6 times 3 is 18. So there you go. 18 is the next one we use. All right, so we go to 7. All right, let's skip down here a little bit. 7 and 16, right? It's 23. 7 times 3 is 21. So that is not. We're going to draw a line through that. So 21 is less than 23. All right, so you go down here to number 8. 8 units. 8 and 16 is 24. 8 times 3, 24. Nah, we don't want that. We're here to win, right? We don't want to break even. All right, so we go to the next, which is 9. 9 and 16. Okay. All right, that's 25. 9 times 3, right? Okay, so we're going to go 9 times 3 is 27. So that is a win. So 9 is an up bet. All right, so then we go to 10. 10 and 25 is 35. 10 times 3 is 30. Nope, so that we would be losing money if we hit up bet to 10 units. So we go to 11. All right, so 11 and 25 is 36. 11 times 3 is 33. No, can't use that. 33, there you go. All right, so we have a 12. 12 and 25. Okay, so we got 37. And then 12 times 3 is 36. Can't use that. All right, so we just keep doing, and you keep doing this all the way down until you get to 500 or whatever you want. All right, so 13 and 25. There you go, it's 38. 13 times 3 is 39. And there we have it. We have an up bet. Oh, so here, see our check marks. There you go. All right, so that means up bets for playing 1 dozen of the dozens is 1, 2, 3. We're looking at the check marks. 4, 6, 9, and 13. And if you wanted to keep going, you would just keep going. Of course, you'll have a lot of cross throughs before your next number, but that's how it's done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not my normal strategy video, but I'm getting a lot of people asking about this, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments section. And of course, if you're going to do something like red and black, then you do the same thing. It's just your number will be 1 bet, 1 lost, 1 would be 2. So now you just do the same process. So 2 would be times 2 would equal 4 for the win. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. If you still don't understand, let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to explain. And thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for the support, and see you next time.